Hi everyone, this is Abby and Cooper's litter. They're 7 weeks old. They've all had their little schnauzer haircuts. They'll be going home when they're 8 weeks. And when they hear my voice, it might make them cry a bit because they want to come out here with me. So, let's pick up Blue Collar. He's right there. This litter is all black. He is a male. Can do green collar. It's a black male. He's got his ear flipped. There we go. He has a natural tail. Let's see. Orange collar is a black male. He also has a natural tail. Okay. Yellow is a black female. With a natural tail. Whoa. Let's do white. Okay. So white is a black male. They're hearing me too much. No. Orange squiggle is a black male. He's one of the bigger boys, him and Blue Collar. this black female, white polka dot. Truth, I'm not sure. Did we do green? If not, I get to see him again. This is green. And he is a black male with a natural tail. Watch some playtime. They like to play with the toys. Yeah, you guys can play with the toys too. Yeah. There you go. Sillies, you can't be crying. Yeah, it's because you hear my voice. I'm trying to be quiet. I try to be quiet. Yeah, I try to be quiet. Yes, I do. Here you all come. Here you all come. I know. You're saying hi. Are you saying hi? Yes, you are. I see all of you. I see all of you. You're supposed to be playing with your toys. Play with your toys. Okay, I'll be quiet. I'll be quiet. Okay, I'll be quiet. Okay. Fine, why don't you try calling them? Likes your shoe. What are you doing, Blue? And why don't you call him over?
What are you doing?
everyone. We're going to spend some more time with them having playtime, and we will all see you shortly in just a few days. Bye-bye.